Good afternoon, everyone. Eric from Advantage Remarketing here in front of our one of two, actually, 2025 brand new Grech Executive Sprinter limos. Units have no mileage, they're on MSO, and they're absolutely beautiful. We have some good incentives for year end. A little bit of rear storage there. Bar glass, cleaning supplies, what have you, and it's always Grech does it very clean. "13 passengers in the rear with an electric slider, retractable step. And a very beautiful limo interior. Illuminated cup holders, full partition, full shades. It's a really nice limousine. Again, I have two available. These will be sold by month end. If you're interested, give me a call, 866-675-2271 extension 500. Hope you're having a great day.